If you're a retiree looking for a way to safeguard your retirement capital, then gold and silver may be the perfect solution. With the unpredictable state of the economy, inflation rates rising, and the volatility of stock markets, traditional retirement savings methods can feel like a gamble. But gold and silver provide a stable, tangible hedge against these uncertainties, something you can rely on to preserve your wealth. Now, I know some of you may already be familiar with gold and silver, but what you might not know is how incredibly effective they are at protecting your retirement savings. In the coming minutes, I'll explain exactly why these precious metals should be a core part of your wealth protection strategy. And if you're serious about securing your wealth in the next 2 weeks, then I recommend you check the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide, where I walk through exactly why thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs to safeguard their hard-earned savings. Gold and silver are considered safe haven assets. What does that mean for you as a retiree? It means that unlike stocks or bonds, gold and silver are not tied to the performance of any specific economy. They hold intrinsic value and have been trusted for centuries as a store of wealth. When the economy falters, these metals often see their value increase, making them an ideal hedge against inflation and market downturns. But here's where it gets interesting. You can protect your wealth even more effectively by holding gold and silver in a gold IRA. A gold IRA allows you to invest in physical gold and silver while benefiting from the same tax advantages as a traditional IRA. This means you can grow your retirement savings without worrying about inflation eating away at your capital. Gold IRAs have outperformed many other forms of retirement savings during times of market volatility, making them one of the best options for people with 100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or even $5 in savings. Compare that to other investment options like real estate or stocks. While real estate can provide value, it's tied to market fluctuations, property values, and other unpredictable factors. Stocks are even more volatile, and there's always a risk of market crashes, like the 2008 financial crisis or the market dip we're seeing now. Meanwhile, gold and silver provide a sense of stability that you just can't get from other assets. And because they're not tied to the stock market, they won't lose their value in the same way other investments might. Another big advantage of investing in gold and silver is that they're not subject to the same kind of risks as cash or bonds. Paper currency can lose its value due to inflation, and bonds can suffer from changes in interest rates. But gold and silver tend to increase in value over time, especially when inflation is high and the dollar weakens. As a retiree, this means you're not at the mercy of rising costs and devaluation of your currency. Instead, you're investing in a tangible asset that will hold its worth long term. If you're wondering how you can get started, it's easier than you think. As I mentioned earlier, you can open a gold IRA with a trusted company to get the tax advantages while holding physical gold and silver. The best part? It's not just for the ultra wealthy. Gold IRAs are perfect for anyone who has 100K plus in their IRA or 401K, or even if you have over $5 in savings and want to protect that wealth. Now, before we wrap up, I want you to remember this. Your retirement security is too important to leave to chance. With the current state of the economy, there's never been a better time to consider gold and silver as part of your retirement strategy. If you're ready to take action, make sure you click the link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that will show you why so many Americans are turning to gold IRAs to secure their wealth for the future. Gold and silver offer stability, reliability, and protection in uncertain times. And if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401K or 5M plus in savings, this could be the perfect opportunity to diversify and safeguard your wealth.